Well, here we are at our Jubilee show. Great turnout. We're gonna give you guys a walkthrough for the guys that couldn't make it here. Usually we have about 115 cars at this event.
Good to meet you. Nice to meet you. Have a good day. Hey, go! Oh, good! No. Doing okay? Yeah, doing good. That's a good looking hat. That's an awful good looking hat for like you. Yeah. Yeah, you old fart. Oh, hey. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, you were, right?
And you too can own a Mustang. Just gotta buy some tickets. We're giving that away at the Sutherland Car Show, Blackberry Festival. A lot of beautiful cars here today. Good cars, good people. Couple of club members' Mustangs.
Well, no, 52 they got. 51.
But you're a car guy.
So yeah, we're open all classes, all years. New Mustangs, old Mustangs, Camaros, Dodge Chargers. There's a beautiful orange one here coming up. We're even pet friendly. Hopefully that dog is voting for his favorite car. Thanks for coming out.
Much easier to convert than that.
I love the old Studebakers. They stand out, that's for sure. Yeah, we have everything for everyone. We even have a bouncy house for the kids. Looks like they're having way too much fun. Here's two of my favorite people. How are you? Some custom airbrushing here in this Camaro. Nicely done.
You guys lining up here and then moving up, or are you lining up?
Hey, we gotta follow the law.
So we'll get there early then.
I'm showing off your artwork under the hood there. So, beautiful car.
You know, it's surprising how many people come up to you and say, that's different. Most of them are plastic and nobody knows what to do with it.
Yep, there you go. And they too can be customized. What a beautiful car. Alright, and here's our convertible lineup. These guys are going to be hauling around in the Jubilee Princesses and the Mayor. So we escort them guys around in these Stangs, convertibles.
Traced your footsteps down to the shore. Afraid she's gone forevermore. I looked to see
One of our members here, it's David's T-Bird.
I took it back from you.
Matt's Mustang.
I heard a voice crying in the deep. Come join me, baby, in my endless sleep. Why did we quarrel? Why did we fight?
It's a beautiful T-Bird. Really catches your eye.
That's why her footsteps ran into the sea.
Here's Susan's, the other Fox body in the show.
I looked at the sea.
And then we got this car on loan from Tower Ford. It's a brand new GT350.
I heard a voice crying in the deep. Come join me, baby, in my endless sleep.
What a beautiful looking car. This is for sale too.